morning to you all students. Welcome to English 1 class, C class 12, date 16, 6, 2020, class 12, total English. Now see page we are going to start. Last time we have done comprehension. We have done also here page number 64. Page number 64. See here, exercise. Exercise 1. See here you have to fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the simple future or future continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets. Since you have enough time, I thought you can write the full sentence. In the examination you have limited time, so there only for this fill in the blank you have to give only answers. I will give you here answer. Say first one is I am sure we dash a good time staying with them. Now see here the answer will be I am sure we will have. Simple future or future continuous. So will have. First one will have. The first one. Okay, second one. If you come before noon, I dash for you in my cabin. If you come before noon, I will be waiting. The word is given in the brackets wait. So I will be waiting for you in my cabin. Will be waiting. Will be waiting. Alright, number 3. Rose is 17 now. Next year she dash 18. She will be. Number 3. Will be. Number 4. At this time tomorrow, I dash myself in Mussoorie. So here say future continuous. At this time tomorrow, I will be enjoying myself in Mussoorie. I will be enjoying. Number 4. If you go there now, they dash dinner. Will be having. Will be. Will be having. Will be having dinner. 5. 6. This store dash on 26 December. This store will reopen. Will reopen. This store will reopen on 26th December. Alright, now 7. My father dash at the age of 60. My father will retire at the age of 60. will retire. Will retire at the age of 60. Number 8. They will be reaching Bhutan on Sunday. They dash Bhutan on Sunday. They will be reaching. 8. They will be reaching Bhutan on Sunday. Number 9. At this time next month, you dash to Australia. Will be traveling. Number 9 will be traveling. Will be traveling. Will be traveling to Australia. Number 10. The government dash the price of petrol will increase. Number 10 will increase. Will increase. Will increase the price of petrol. Alright, number 11. They dash the winter in Kulu. They will be spending. Number 11. Will be spending. They will be spending the winter in Kulu. Number 12. She dashed outside her office for you this evening. The word is given in the bracket is wait. So she will be waiting. Number 12. Will be waiting. She will be waiting. Alright, so we have finished this one, page number 64, exercise 1. Now we are going to page number 65. Now page number 65. Page number 65. Exercise 2. See first one. Before reading the question, you have to read the instruction. Fill in the blanks using the future perfect or future perfect continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets. Alright, so first one we have you will have learned. You will have learned. See, you will have you dash English by the end of this year. So you will have learned English by the end of this year. Now see one. Will have learned. Will have learned. First one. Second one. You began to study Spanish in January. By December, you dash it for a whole year. Now see, will have been learning. Number 2, will have been learning. Will have been learning. Will have been learning. Alright, number 3. The film dash before we reach the theatre. Number 3. Will not have started. The film will not have started before. The film will not have started before we reach the theatre. Will not have started. Will not have started. Will not have started. Number 4. By the 15th of March, I dashed after him for 6 weeks. So by the 15th of March, I will have been looking after him for 6 weeks. Will have been looking. Will have been looking. 4. Number 5. We will have finished this lesson by the end of this period. So here, number 5, will have finished. We will have finished number 5. Number 6. By November, we dash these lessons for 5 months. So by November, we shall have been learning these lessons for 5 months. Shall have been learning. We shall have been learning. which shall have been learning. Number 6. Number 7. 2 months from now, she does her final examination. She will have taken. She will have taken. She will have taken her final examination. Alright, now number 8. As we were started supporting him in 2003, by 2023 you dash him for 20 years. So the word is given in the bracket is support. So we will have him supporting. Will have been supporting. Number 8. Will have been supporting him for 20 years. Number 9. I dash my homework by 8 p.m. The word is given in the bracket is complete. So I will have completed my homework by 8 p.m. Will have completed. Will have completed. Will have completed my homework by 8 p.m. Number 10. Number 10 is by 6 o'clock I dash here for 10 hours. Here the word is given in the bracket is sit. So by 6 o'clock I will have been sitting here for 10 hours. Will have been sitting. Will have been sitting. So we have finished. We have finished page number 65 also. Here you have Alright, so we stop here. We shall see composition writing in the next class tomorrow.